Power saving mode is a useful feature that helps extend your Samsung Galaxy's battery life by reducing background activity, lowering performance, and limiting certain features. However, if you want to enjoy your phone's full speed, brighter display, and unrestricted app performance, you can easily turn this feature off. In this guide, I'll show you two simple methods to disable power saving mode on your Samsung Galaxy. Method 1. Turn off power saving mode through settings. Begin by opening the Settings app on your Samsung Galaxy device. Scroll down until you find Battery. If you are using an older version of One UI, tap Battery and Device Care, then select Battery. On the battery screen, you'll see the power saving option. Tap it if necessary, then switch the toggle to the off position. Once disabled, your phone will immediately return to normal performance. Features such as higher processing speed, automatic background syncing, and standard screen brightness will be restored. Method 2. Turn off power saving mode from Quick Settings. If you prefer a faster method, use the Quick Settings panel. Swipe down from the top of your screen using two fingers to fully expand the Quick Settings menu. Look through the available tiles until you find the power saving icon. If you don't see it on the first page, swipe left or right to locate it. Simply tap the power saving icon once. When the icon is no longer highlighted, power saving mode has been turned off. This method is perfect when you need to quickly restore your phone's full performance without opening the Settings app. Turning off power saving mode allows your Samsung Galaxy to operate at its maximum capability, making it ideal for gaming, streaming videos, video calls, or using demanding apps. Keep in mind that your battery may drain a little faster with this feature disabled. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video, leave a comment, and subscribe for more easy Samsung tips and Android tutorials.